Good evening. This video is for the verification of the sensitive scopes that we are using in our add-on. So when user install our add-on, then the user first has to authorize the scope that we are using in our add-on. This add-on has integration of Google Gmail, Google Drive and Google Calendar. So user has to authorize for the scope that we are using in our add-on. So this is our add-on name or the project name, shared context for Google Workspace with trademark symbol. User need to choose the account. Here in the URL, this is the project number, the client ID, and these are the scope that user need to authorize to access our add-on. Once the user granted the scopes, then and the email is opened, we make use of the first scope, that is gmail.addon.current.message.metadata, to get the current Gmail properties like the recipients in the CC, BCC, to and from. And then we make use of our second scope, that is script dot external request, to use those emails in the from CC, BCC and to hit our project APIs to get the contact details associated with those email addresses, and we show those contact details here like this. So this is how we are using our first two sensitive scope in our add-on. Similarly, in the third add-on, which is drive.addon.metadata.read only, we use this scope in the Google Drive integration. So when a user selects a file or folder, we make use of this scope to execute our add-on in Google Drive and to get the basic details of the selected file or folder. And then we make use of the fourth sensitive scope, that is or/drive.read only, to use the method provided by drive app class like driver.getFolder by ID to get the details of the selected file or folders and the details of the editors and viewers. We make use of these email IDs of the editors, viewer, organizer or the owner, and hit and use our script dot external request scope to hit the API and get the contact details associated with those email addresses and show them in our add-on. So these are the four sensitive scopes that we are using in our add-on. Beside these four sensitive scopes, we are using these two non-sensitive scopes also to access the add-on in Google's calendar. So when a user opens our add-on and then opens an event, then we make use of the scope, which is calendar.addon.execute, to execute our add-on in Google Calendar, and calendar.addon.current.event.read to get the email IDs of the organizer and the attendees of the calendar event. And then we make use of those email IDs and hit our project APIs with the help of script.external.request scope and get the Google contact details from our API and then show them in our add-on. So this is how we are using the sensitive scopes and the non-sensitive scopes in our Workspace add-on. Thank you.